Hello, you wonderful people. Today we're going to be talking about a theorem that relates chords, arcs, and the radius of a circle. So here, as you can see, I've drawn two different circles, and we'll just call this one over here. Let's call this circle number one. We'll call this circle number two. Okay, and here is a little dot in the middle. So this is the center for circle one, center for circle two. And let's put some, let's draw some arcs or chords. So I'm gonna call this A, we'll call this B. Over here, this will be D, and E. Okay, and let's connect these. And reminder, not very good at drawing, so pretend they look the same, more or less. Okay, so first let's go over the word arc in these two pictures. So this would be arc AB going around the circle. This is arc DE. The word chord chord is a straight line that goes from one part of the circle to another part. So this right here, that straight line would be chord AB. And this would be chord DE. Okay. Maybe I should be writing these up here. So sure. Chord AB, and that's a line segment. Chord DE, line segment. And we add AB and DE arc lengths. Okay, and our last word here, radius, which I'm going to write in a dotted line in our picture. So radius is from the center going to the side. We'll call this radius 1. Call that radius 2. Okay, so now that I've labeled the radiuses, the arcs, and the chords for both of my pictures, there is a theorem that says, that relates these three things. And it says that if you can prove any two of them are the same, then the third one has to be the same as well. Example, if I know that radius 1 is equal to radius 2, and I also know that arc AB is equal to arc DE. So if I know these two things are the same for both circles, then this has to also be the same. Then I know that the chord AB will be equal to chord DE. Okay, and it works with any of the other combinations as well. So for example, if I knew that so for example, if I knew that radius 1 was equal to radius 2, and I knew that both of the chords were equal to each other, then I also know that the arc length is equal to each other as well. And I guess I could also write, I guess I'm almost done already, so might as well write the third one. So I know that if the chords were equal, and I knew the arc lengths were equal, so if I knew that this was equal, these two were equal, and I knew these two were equal, that would prove that the radius had to be equal as well. So this is just a theorem that basically relates chords, arcs, and radiuses. If you know that any two of them are equal, you can prove that the third one is also equal. All right, you wonderful people. I hope you had a great rest of your day so far. I hope this made sense, and I'll talk to you some other time.